Hi folks, Mark Theodore CU here from My Mobile Mentor, tutoring, team building and screen acting. Today I want to talk to you about the when factor. When is screen acting beneficial? Like when does it actually apply? And that's a great question because for primary school students, it could be as simple as just getting up and delivering a simple show and tell with confidence. For our secondary school students, it could be part of a project that you're actually being assessed on, including an oral presentation. For our tertiary students, quite similar. It's either an individual assessment or group assessment. And just because of the group assessment doesn't make it any less nerve-wracking. For our adult learners, it could be part of a public, private or corporate sector speech. And not only do you have to remember all the words, you have to understand what you're actually talking about, plus you have to keep everybody engaged too. So with that being said, we have the resourceful tools and the rewarding tools to show you how to do that with confidence. If you fit into any of those categories, primary, secondary, tertiary, or adult learning, and you'd love an opportunity to conquer your self-confidence, to be able to deliver in front of an audience and keep them engaged, feel free to drop us a line on 0412 786 549 or info@mymobilementor.com.au. We look forward to your inquiry. Let us know if it's a project, a task, or an objective, possibly a casting if you're an actor. We serve both actors and non-actors alike. Thank you very much for watching today. We look forward to your inquiry. Have a great day. And here's to the art of self-expression with great self-confidence. Thanks, folks. Bye for now.